Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can remove Google account from your device Nothing Phone One. First, go to the settings of your phone here and click on passwords and accounts and click on the email ID that you have associated with your phone and click on remove account here and click on remove account behind. And are you sure device protection features will no longer work? Click OK if you are sure, and it will ask you to verify with your pattern or verify with your fingerprint. I use fingerprint now, and yes, Google account is removed from your device. To check it, go to home page and go to Google Play Store and see there. If sign in is asked, that means account is already removed from your device. That is a Gmail account. Google account is removed from your device, and if you want to use it again, you go to click on sign in and you go to give your Gmail ID and password to sign in into Google account to access all Google products including YouTube and other products. So in this way you can easily remove Google account from your device Nothing Phone One. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.